Is your Xero profile still blank? That is costing you client trust. Fix it in 2 minutes with this simple trick. I will show you exactly where to click and what to write. Just follow these 6 steps. All right, so let us start at the very beginning. You need to be logged into Xero. Go ahead and open up your browser, head over to the Xero login page, and get signed in. This is the same place you always log into. Nothing fancy here, just get into your main dashboard. Once you see that home screen with all your organizations listed, we are ready for step 2. Now, look up at the very top right corner of your screen. You will see a little icon. It might be your initials in a circle, or maybe a generic silhouette if you have not set up a photo yet. Click on that icon. This is your profile icon, and it is your gateway to everything personal on your Xero account. Just give it one click. A drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, you want to click the option that says Profile. Not Settings, not your organization name, just Profile. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your personal details. It is a very clean, simple page. And here's the thing, most people never even click in here. That is why so many profiles are empty. So now, scroll down a little bit on this profile page. You are looking for a section labeled Brief Bio. It is a text box, and right now it is probably completely blank. This is the spot. This is where you are going to add that personal touch. And here is the really important part. Do not skip over this because you think one sentence is enough. This bio is the first thing clients and collaborators see when they look you up in Xero. It builds instant trust when it is filled out. Let us write your bio now. Keep it professional, but approachable. Think about what you want a new client to know about you in just a few seconds. You could start with your role. For example, experienced accountant specializing in small business growth. Then add a little personality, maybe something like passionate about helping entrepreneurs save time and reduce stress. You can even include a fun fact if it fits. Just keep it to 2 or 3 sentences. A wall of text is hard to read, but a short, friendly paragraph is perfect. And do not worry about being perfect the first time. You can always come back and edit this later. Just get something written down. Once you have typed out your bio, take a moment to review everything. Read it back to yourself. Does it sound like you? Does it capture what you do? Make sure there are no typos. This is basically your digital handshake, so you want it to be clean and clear. Also, glance over the rest of the profile page while you are here. Check your name, your email address, and your contact details. Make sure everything else is up to date too. It only takes an extra 30 seconds, and it makes a huge difference. Finally, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You will see a big blue button that says Save. Click it, and that is it. Your bio is now live. The empty space is gone, and your profile now tells your story. So now, when a client searches for you in Xero, they will not see a blank slate. They will see a real person with a real background. It is such a small change, but it makes you look prepared and professional. Go ahead and fill that in today. It takes less than 2 minutes, and it is one of the easiest ways to build trust with every person you work with. Thanks for following along.